Hi, I'm Lee. I'm the Fp&a Technology Director at Revelwood. Today I'm going to be showing you Lightspeed, an out-of-the-box implementation accelerator for IBM Planning Analytics. Lightspeed is made up of modules that take into consideration the various aspects of planning and reporting. Today I'm going to show you the staff module. Like all Revelwood input templates, the selectors are on top to give your users a consistent and friendly user experience. Once your intersection is defined, users will see the list of people based on a feed from your payroll system. These people can be grouped together in various ways to organize them as existing, new and already approved, and new but not yet approved. Users can then enter in information that will be required to calculate out the various staff-related costs. This information includes hire dates, last dates, transfer dates, or any other dates associated with when employee expenses will be incurred. The module calculates out a series of headcounts, calculates out headcounts, is the employee there, calculates FTE, full-time equivalency, for part-time employees. It will calculate out a series of something versus something headcounts, full-time versus part-time, exempt versus non-exempt, any components like that. It will give you the ability to define salary based on various mechanisms. Annual salary, hourly salary merged together with part-time employees. And it will also determine, once I have that salary, how do I spread it out to the months? Do I spread it out evenly? Do I spread it based on the number of work days, the number of calendar days, the number of paychecks per month? And in situations where we have number of paychecks per month, it will calculate out accruals to determine what should be sent into month 1 versus what should be sent into month 2 based on your accounting practices. The system allows for bonuses, the determination of whether an employee is eligible for a bonus, if the bonus is set up via percentage or a dollar or both, whether or not the bonus gets paid out in a single month or whether it gets spread out evenly over the course of the year for accounting purposes. The module allows for raises. It allows for the ability to define a specific raise date all the way down to the day. It defines percentages. It figures out your post-raise salary. It gives us the ability to have this information defined at a global level, at a manual level, or something in between where maybe there's a global level where individual people have the ability to override those values. The module has 6 raises built into it, which allows for long-term planning. The module also includes an administrator template so that your staff administrator can enter in rates that are not controlled by your planning team. This can consist of global rates, such as federal taxes or company-wide rates. It could consist of state rates to account for state taxes. It consists of departmental or cost center rates, such as fringe components or any other piece that's going to be broken down by cost center or by department. Once the information is entered in the system, the combination of user-defined planning components with the globally defined planning components will then calculate out a series of salary costs, tax costs, fringe costs, and headcount costs that can all be reported against. One example of a report allows us to look at our salary costs by person, by month. You can see on this report that the data is taken into consideration based on time. If somebody stops at a certain point in time, the system will stop calculating. If somebody comes in mid-year, the system won't calculate for the times that are there. The same selectors that are used during the course of planning are also used during the course of reporting. And the values that get calculated out are all of the compensation-related components. Salary, gross pay, bonus, commission, taxes, FICA, Medicare, all the various taxes that your organization calculates. Fringes, 401k match, medical, etc. It also performs a series of headcount calculations so that we can do metrics and we can do analyses. And the results of these allow us to do per person analyses. And the results of this data then get linked back into our core financial model, which allows us to build one continuous planning system that flows together. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one, or you can check out our website at revelwood.com.